Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about Acuity form tracking, and you know that Acuity is a appointment scheduling form, and that is the Squarespace platform. Squarespace, basically Squarespace are providing the Acuity form. So lots of business owner, they are using the Acuity form their business. So today I will show you how you can track the equity form. So I am already, you can see that I am already landing on the equity form interface. Here you can see that that is the form. And from firstly, you have to find out in the left hand side, you can find out the integration. If I click on it, integration, and the integration sections, you have to um, find out your all platform, Facebook, Google Analytics, Webbook, Square, and lots of platform, email team, you have to find out there. So our target is we have to set up with the Google Tag Manager so that we are using the custom conversion tracking. So as usual, I am click the edit option, and here you can find out the HTML tracking code. That means you know that Acuity form is an iframe. Basically, for the iframe, we are create another container and then creating another container for our website. That is the get method. So, but for the equity form, you do not create the another container for it because they have also provided the HTML tracking code option so that we do not create the another container for the iframe. I hope you understand what actually I mean that. But you can see that you can use variables by dynamically fill in your code. You are only using the type, price, ID, calendar, appointment, and email. But if you are tracking the first name, last name, or user information, Equity Firm do not provide these options because I am already check it out. If you go to the help option, here also the guideline, how can you implement it? And I am creating the code for my tracking process, and I am using the ChatGPT and DeepSeek also to find out the code. I also provide the code. You can use this code for your tracking process, and also you can use the ChatGPT DeepSpeak to generate the code. So I am also create the code and I am putting in the custom conversion tracking. And if I go to my Google Tag Manager option, and I am also creating the another code. So basically, I am create the two code. One is for equity form, and second one is for our website container. So here you can see that I am also giving the code. You just use the some commands or some prompt on your ChatGPT or AI tools, then they will generate the code. So I am activated our equity form with our website. So you can see that I am already um, preview our website and find out the equity lead converted. And we are only find out the email, ID, and our event name, but do not find out the first name and last name and phone. I do not find out from here. So if you have a solutions, how can you, if you collect the first name, last name, phone from the equity form, then you can suggest me. Uh, I want to learn from you. You can also giving me the suggestions. So I am find out the event from equity lead converted, and I am also implement the um, Facebook, Google Ads, and Google Analytics 4 also. Here you can see that Facebook web conversion tracking. So I am using the custom event, and as a object properties, I am only sending the two event parameter because I do not find out the mode. So I have not enough option to implement the event parameter for that. And also triggering, you know that for the triggering, I am using the event name, which I am find out in the Google Tag Assistant. And also for the Google Ads, I am using the conversion ID, conversion level, and also the trigger. So if I am just, and for the server side, if I am go to the tags, also I am set up the Facebook conversion API, access token, pixel ID, and triggering. So I am set up both for here. That is our website booking form. So I'm go to the preview to test and book an appointment and just select any date or time and giving the and fill up the form and confirm appointment. And in the tag assistant, we have to find out our event. Here you can see that Acuity need convert, and we have to find out our email and ID, all of that, but past name, last name, we do not find out from the Acuity form. So I hope you understand. The process is simple. I will be giving the link on the description box. You can find out that code. You can use this code. If your code is not work, you just copy the code and just ask to the ChatGPT or the DeepSpeak. Then you have to find out the code, and you have to place the code. First one, you have to place the custom conversion tracking, and second one you have to implement on your web container. So yeah, here you can see that I'm already told you have to put the here, and also triggering will be the all page, and that tag will be the custom HTML. So I hope you understand how can you implement the Acuity scheduling appointment form for your business. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.